Welcome back, friend. Today I am going to tell you best unlocking unlocking tricks for Oppo pattern pin finger face lock. So, if your phone is locked due to any family member or child mistake, so I am going to giving you some simple step by which you can unlock your phone at home. So before start the unlocking process, make sure your handset is charged minimum 30 to 40% or 50% so that your mobile is not switched off during this time of unlocking process. If handset is switched off during this unlocking process, so any data of your phone can be deleted. For this, you have to pay lots of attention at the time of this processing. So friend, watch this video till the end without a skip. Then you will be able to unlock your smartphone or handset. So this method, you know very well, this method is offline method. And now as you can see on the bottom on the screen, emergency calls buttons, and apply unique code, and this code key volume is higher than. So apply this code. You can note down. I am going to zoom. You can note down or you can take a screenshot of this number. So as you can see, star has 325884532 star 54 and hash, and apply calls button three time, minimum three time. After completing this process, please erase this code and apply this master unlocking code, and now you can see engineer mode page activated on your handset, and go with the software version and click here on Android version 12. So as you can see, my Android version is 12, so I am going to click 12 time as simply. Similarly, your phone Android version is 10, you press 10 time, you press 8. If you have 8, please 8 times. So I am going 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After completing this page, come back and go with the again manual test and go in the device debugging page. Now we can see sensor self test calibration is there. So press here, and now as you can see, gyroscope and accelerometer two option is there, and both option are not operated. So first we have to press and activate this operation mode. So now as you can see, text passed, one gyroscope is passed, no issue, accelerometer is passed or not. So come back once again here and go with the last other option please, and press the second option. As you can see, there are 5 to 6 options. So press second number, rewrite important log test, and press cancel, and third time press OK. Now your password is set. Now your password is reset. So and now the time is for come back in home button, and we can see our phone is unlocked or not. So guys, get ready. I'm going to press home button. So now you can see friend, our phone is unlocked without any loss of application or without any loss of data. So guys, I hope you like this video. So see you in next video friend. Subscribe our channel, like and share.